Top careers in construction, roles, salaries, and growth opportunities. The construction industry offers a wealth of stable and well-paying careers in 2025 and beyond. It spans hands-on trades like carpentry and welding, to management, engineering, safety, and tech-focused roles, many of which don't require a four-year degree. Surprisingly, many construction careers require only a high school diploma and a paid apprenticeship or on-the-job training. While engineering and architecture positions typically demand a bachelor's degree and professional licensure, the pathway to entry is still quite accessible. In fact, U.S. construction employment is projected to grow steadily through the 2030s. This growth is fueled by housing demand, infrastructure investments like the 2025 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, and the necessity to replace retiring workers. The industry takes an active role in educating high school students and communities about the importance of construction careers and workforce development. Modern construction increasingly incorporates technology such as drones, BIM software, and data-driven project management, creating exciting new roles focused on digital construction and sustainability. The careers in construction are not just limited to those swinging hammers, but include diverse roles like craft professionals, supervisors, engineers, estimators, safety specialists, and administrative staff. The U.S. construction sector employed over 8 million individuals in 2024, yet continues facing skilled labor shortages, with a projected need for an estimated 439,000 to 454,000 new workers in 2025 alone. With a range of job types, training paths, and a stable demand across sectors, a career in construction can provide long-term stability and growth. Discover your path at abccentraltexas.org.